Hello, everybody. My name is Thor Young. I'm a moderator at Bear Bull Traders, and today I'd like to talk about the easiest indicator that you can use for day trading. Now, I get a lot of emails and a lot of questions in the BBT area, the chat specifically, where they're asking, what is like the one thing that I can do right now that's just going to change the way I trade the open, trade the close? What's the easiest thing I can implement that's the easiest to pay attention to that I can just do and work with, works on any platform? Like, what's going to be easy? And a lot of the times, you really expect I'm going to give you a big answer. But in this one, I'm surprised how many people don't trade with the open price. The open price is the battleground for the stock that day. What that stock does in the opening few minutes as it establishes around that opening price, how it rejects that price or returns to it, speaks volumes on what that stock's trajectory is going to be. Retests of that price later in the day. So from the beginning of the day to the end of the day, the opening price will come into play over and over and over again. So I'm going to go through and show you a couple of examples here just to kind of show you what I'm talking about. And if you use no other indicator, you will be surprised with how well the opening price works. So first thing I'm going to do is come up to my chart here I have on Plug. Plug was well, I actually had a good trade on Plug today. I'm not showing my trades because this isn't about this. I just want to show you guys what's going on. But Plug here in Catalyst, I'm going to go here to my study config, and I'm going to just go ahead and let's just get rid of everything because I want to show you guys exactly how potent this is. Moving average pairs, we don't need it. VWAP, we don't need it. I'm going to get rid of pre-market high. I'm going to get rid of pre-market low. Commit that. All we got are candles, right? And that. So now that we've dropped all of the busy away, notice what we find here, right? Do we not have some really clean stuff? Look here, this yellow dotted line is the opening price. So when the stock opened, that's the price it opened at. It sold off here, came back up above the opening price, made a nice move up, came back down, tested the opening price, consolidated under it, came back up through it, and then what happened here? We had this nice little retest of the opening price to the penny, really. Came right back up, made that new high. That's your entry for your big move up, right? That nice little retest. Man, a little isolated pivot in the mid-range right before a breakout. That was really speaking volumes. Low volume pullback in the process too. That's an A+ entry right there on that new high. So opening price on Plug just really, really powerful today, right? Let's go to Apple. Apple today broke up, bounced here, came down, and then look at the pressure it put on the opening price. This is a defense, right? When a lot of people, you see this big move up here, these are buyers. People are buying into Apple right here to push it up like that, right? So when Apple returns back down to the opening price, naturally, there's going to be some defense there. But their stop outs are going to be right down in here, right? So as soon as that price makes enough of a low, they're going to have to get out. And you can see they lost the battle here. Open price was rejected here on this wick, made that new low, and then everybody got out. Boom, big drop, right? Nice waterfall on Apple after that. Open price was the perfect thing to watch for Apple for a short today. You don't need moving averages. You don't need crazy wedges. Just check out the open price. I mean, it says a lot. All right, let's do a couple more. J&J today. J&J, look at this retest of the open price. We're starting to kind of push up a little bit, but look, we pushed away really nicely, came all the way back, and where did we hit? Boom, open price, right? One more, LI. Not the best chart today, but you can see here, look, we're just kind of bouncing up and down, testing both sides of this open price all day. We're just kind of in like a consolidation. It looks like really low volume here. So looks like we're just consolidating. Let's check out WKHS. Oh, well, no retest of the open price there, but we did fall off here. And as soon as we reclaimed the opening price and made a break up, that certainly was a nice signal that everyone was ready to go. Let's see if we got anything else. Maybe see if Facebook did anything. Held the open price, PDC. We did Apple. Netflix, yeah, look at Netflix. Breaks back down, comes down, buys up right above the open price, right? Supports. So anyway, I don't want to draw this on. Take some time, go through some charts, look how it lines up. Again, you ask and I want to deliver, which is you say, what is the easiest indicator that I can use as far as helping me to trade throughout the day? The easiest indicator, bar none, is the open price, because it takes a second to have your chart auto draw it. And once it's on there, it gives you this nice level throughout the day that should be defendable. You know, losing that opening price means whoever bought in during that opening auction is probably going to start getting out of their price, you know, so, or getting out of their stops. So seeing it come below, even if the stock's been going all day, 4 hours, 5 hours, stock loses that opening price, people are going to be getting out of positions there, right? So hope that helps everybody. If you did find today's little instructional enjoyable, please feel free to throw me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. Also, feel free to subscribe to the channel and ring that bell if you'd like to get more of this going forward. Hope everyone has a great day, and as always, keep it green. Thanks.